Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be restringing my guitar. This is a Fender acoustic electric guitar, so obviously you can play it and you can also stick on an amp and play it through that as well. So if you're gigging, that is very handy. It does come with a little tuner as well. This guitar has not been tuned in a while. It has been kind of sitting out just on the guitar stand here in the bar room, and I thought I had these strings that I bought a wee while ago, and I thought I'm going to put them on here and see what the sound is like. So these are the original strings that you just heard, and we're now going to change it. We're going to change all the strings. So if you know nothing about changing guitar strings, you just need to loosen them off here, and you can tell. Oh, tighten up. You can tell if you're going the wrong way, if it's going up in tones, and if you're going down, like a bass. Playing the bass. It's like that Paul Rudd scene. Playing the bass.
There you go. Slap at that bass, man.
I don't know if you can hear that. It's almost out of the group. Right, I'm getting a bit distracted. But yeah, you just need to do the same for all 6 strings or 12 strings if you're doing a 12-string guitar. You also need a pair of wire cutters, a pair of snips. And it should eventually just unravel like so. And come out here, hit you in the face, and you just need to take this peg out. You can give it a wee wobble like so, put it somewhere, and just take the string out. Now, guitar strings come with a wee bit like that. You can't really see it, but it pretty much, when the peg sits in, it's supposed to hit the string like that, and essentially means the string's going nowhere. Right, so we're now just going to do the same for all 5 other strings, and then we'll get to restringing. Yeah, we're going to get to restringing. Wee cheeky wee whiskey. It's Easter Monday. And again, just grab your guitar. That didn't take very long. It's just about removing. I just took them all down at once and then just removed them all at the same time. So just gonna put the strings down there. So this is a stringless guitar. Look at me shred. I'm gonna joke. It's cheesy. One issue I have with it, you can't really, when you're using it on a loop pedal, you can't really do that with it. But for some reason, I think the mic's a wee bit loose in it or something. My other guitar used to have the in-feed there. The input for the guitar there is there. So I'm not sure if that has an effect on it. But let's have a look at new strings. And it should have a guide somewhere as well, just to let you know what string is which, but you should do. Oh right, nice. I thought they were all going to come in. Does it tell you? Let's have a look at this then. 52. This is definitely the biggie. And there we go. So, alright, yeah, so this is it tells you the numbers here. It corresponds with the strings. Which way you want to look at it. So what you want to do is get your Get a little that little peg thing we had there. Put the string in with the slot facing you, or facing the neck of the guitar. Push it down like so. Feed it up the guitar. Going to turn this round. Yeah, so what you want to do is bring your string up and put it into the corresponding hole. So in this case the E. I'm going to do lefty. I want my strings coming up the inside of the guitar, I think. So that's 52, and you just need to do the same with the rest of the strings. So next is 42. Feed it under, wire, string. It does look better when you tighten them, but that's what it looks like this now. And just to start mounting the other 6 strings, the other strings. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, put it in the right place, but also I'm going to make sure I put it going the opposite direction from my current ones. That's what it's looking like. This is the 3rd string, and I'll just get on with the D and E. So this is just the E string. This feels very flimsy, as E's do. Right, so that is the guitar strung, but you can't really play that, can you? Alright, it's time to get busy tuning. That sounds somewhere oh, it is! I got it! Now these will detune as well. This is what I hate the most. There we go, we're at E now. It's already detuned itself. Right, let's have a little go. It'll probably detune itself as well, but yeah, but it's already detuned itself. Yeah, here we go. Oh, listen to the sound. Yeah, you can hear it detuning as well. Somebody's that tune. Just E again. nice tone. Nice, soft. No. And rich. Especially when you hit that. Let's go for light up. It's detuning itself there, but I'm going to leave it there for today. If you like this video, please give it a... If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and hit that subscribe button. See you next video. Thanks. Bye.